If today is your first time of watching my videos, please subscribe and share my video. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can add your business to Google Map. Yes, so that people can search your business anywhere. So what you have to do is, yes, you can use phone or laptop. So let's use laptop. Let's use phone. So you go to Google Business, search Google Business, this one. Okay, so look for Google. Here is it, Google Business Profile. Okay, so when it opens, you go to Manage Now. So in case you haven't signed in, you use your Gmail to sign in. Okay, so these are some of the profile or the business I've submitted to Google Map. Okay, so I'll show you. You click on the plus sign, then you select Add Business. Number 3, add a business. Okay, so when it opens, you enter the name of the business. Okay, so when you are doing this, you have to be within your business. Okay, so that to pick the area location. You can also use the GPS address. You can use this app to get your GPS address, your exact location. That's the Ghana Post GPS. Okay, so you open it and then it will set your location, give you the GPS address. Okay, so this is my GPS address right now. So you can click, then you copy it. Okay, all right, so it has been copied. So that's the GPS address. Okay, so now you go back to the site and continue. Enter your business name. So in Sympathy TV. Okay, so Sympathy TV, that's the name. Okay, so you choose your category. The category your business fall on. Let's see. Okay, entertainment agency. All right, so let me pick entertainment. Well, let me see. So if it's the television, you click on television. All right, click on next. Now, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? Yes. Okay, so what's your address? Your country, you select the country, then the street address. The street address is the GPS address, so you can use the GPS address here so that it will give you the exact location if someone is searching for you. Okay, so this is the GPS address. Let me bring the iPhone. So it's this way. Let me confirm it here. Okay, that's it. So that's the GPS. Then the city where I'm in Doma right now. So Doma in Crew. Okay, so you click on next. See that it has picked the location. All right, so click on next. So let me go back. Okay, so you go to next. Then do you provide deliveries or home or office visits? So in case you delivers to home or offices, you select yes. If not, select no. You don't deliver anything, so you enter your contact number so that when people search you on Google, they can contact you. All right, so enter your phone number, then your site URL. So if you have site, you enter. If you don't have, you leave it. So http. So this is our site, that's YouTube/Nsimpefi. All right, so this is our link. Click on next. You are being verified by Google. This the Gmail will be able to manage some of you after has been verified. This will take a few minutes. Only authorized accounts will be able to make edits to this business profile on Google. You click on next. All right. So you set your business hours. Okay, so for us, we are always open. So you select the time. So 24 hours. Yes, we are always open, so that's 24 hours. Yeah. You can update it later. All right, so this one you can update it later on. So yes, you click on next. After setting the working hours, you click on next. You want to accept messages? Yes. Click on next. Then you briefly enter the description of your business. Okay, so you enter something here. You can skip and then later you enter it. So let's enter Nsimpefi TV. All right, I'll come back and edit this, so don't worry, I'm just using this for example. So you can add pictures, upload pictures of your business. So let me use this. Okay. Okay, click done. Wait for the videos to, the images to upload. All right, so click on next. Network is joking with me. Okay, so your edits will be visible once you are verified. Okay, click on continue. Your business on Google. Yes. So you can see they've just verified my business. Okay, you can choose to run ad so that it will reach a lot of people, and then you can update your business every day. Yes, you can update it. So in case you want to update your business, you go to update. Okay, verification is still in process, so let's wait for verification. After verification, you can update. So this is the location, this is my contacts, yes, WhatsApp. All right. It's very simple as ABC. So the updates to it here, you can add updates here. Yes, so this is how to submit your business to Google Business. Okay, so you can download the app on Play Store. You can also search for it, or you can use the Google map too. So Google Business, let's see my manage now. Let me show you. Yes, so you see they are still processing my business. All right, so that's how to manage or submit your business to Google Business. Okay, use this. Okay, so you just go to googlebusiness.google.com, then you click on your business name. Then when it opens this way, you can create posts, you can create you can add video, you can also run ads. You create ad so that Google will promote your business for you. So click on create posts. We are not posting anything on COVID-19, so in case you have any offer, you just enter it, you go to offer. So for what is new, you go there and then you update your business every day. In case you are doing it's a store, you put photos of your products, yes, there, and then maybe the prices and the rest. Yes, so it's very simple. If you are doing any events, you just load photos of the events and then the title and then the dates. Okay, that's it. So you go to what's new. Let's post here, let's post something here. So write your post. So normally the title, Rose German state of Rose in German. Okay, so that's it. You can just probably bet. You can add a button. So if you are selling it online, you click on order online or buy online, and if it's a website that you want people to click to that website, you add learn more. And if you want them to sign up, you click on sign up, call now. You click on call now, then you add your telephone. Okay, all right, they'll call you because you already added your number. Okay, and then learn more, you add your website. So let's say Ghana News Prime, then you click on publish. You see that it has been published. Okay, so if like it was to be a business, that's how you do it. So if you want them to buy, you select buy. Yes. All right, so that's how to submit your business to Google Business. Okay, so my business is still in process. All right, thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.